Hello and welcome to yet another exciting episode from DNF Travel Vlog. This time we take you with us to the beautiful Phi Phi Islands, an island group in Thailand that lies between the large island of Phuket and the Straits of Malacca coast of Thailand. You can either take the ferry or a speedboat or a long-tail boat from the nearby islands of Krabi or Phuket to reach Phi Phi. We opted for the popular option of ferry, for which we had booked tickets online a couple of months ago. The ferry ride from Phuket took us around 2 hours, and it was very comfortable as the boat had air-conditioned sections as well as a beautiful deck from which we could enjoy the view. We spent most of our time on the deck itself as we just couldn't go inside when the scenery outside was simply so breathtaking. The Phi Phi Islands are located on the open seas between Phuket and Krabi. Known as one of the most beautiful islands in the world, Phi Phi attracts anybody with its amazing scenery of white sand beaches, vertical limestone cliffs, and, of course, the famous beach parties that continue all night until sunrise. One very interesting thing about Phi Phi is that the island doesn't have any roads, cars, scooters or any vehicles on land. So once you reach, you would have to depend on men with carts so that you could pay them and get them to transport your luggage to your hotels.
Hello.
Hey, we have reached Phi Phi, right? Phi Phi Island. This is an amazing beach. It has got blue water and this guy. What's your name? Your name?
For me? Adam.
Adam is going to take us for the Phi Phi tour, nearby the beaches and everything.
4,000 baht.
4,000 baht. What he said that we have to pay around 4,000 baht. So he will take us to the entire beach and he will cover all the areas. So we are going to take the ride at around 3 p.m. today. Yeah? Okay.
A trip to Thailand is incomplete without a long-tail boat tour across the islands. These long-tail boats are unique to Thailand and sometimes are called the gondolas of the south. Our long-tail boat trip started at around 3 p.m. and it was a most unique way to experience the ocean and the beauty of the Phi Phi Islands. We can see the Maya Bay from our long-tail boat, but we do not have permission to get down to the beach. A year ago, Maya Bay was one of the most popular tourist attractions of Phi Phi after this low-tide beach became the filming location for the Hollywood movie The Beach. The bay remains closed now as it's under an indefinite tourist ban by the authorities to allow the marine ecosystem to recover and return to normal.
We have set foot on the monkey beach, but unfortunately we did not see any monkeys over here. It's okay, you know what? See the water, it's a crystal clear beach and the sand is so white and it's full of greenery. So I must say that if you guys are coming over here, this is another place you shouldn't miss. So this place is really awesome. I mean, if you guys are coming over here, this should be the place you should definitely visit. This is mind-blowing and fresh air, no pollution, no plastic bottles. It's a neat place. It's a neat place to come and relax and wind up a day. So we are looking for monkeys.
Okay.
So
Probably they just coming when it's if they are hungry.
Okay.
So it depends. Sometimes it's 5 o'clock. Sometimes it can be later.
Really? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Well.
So can you tell about this place? Did you like this place?
Well, it's great. So it's our second time in Thailand generally, but you mean the monkey beach?
Yeah.
So it's nice. The sun is beautiful, but we are looking forward to see the monkeys.
But you couldn't see any monkeys today, right?
No, we just arrived, yes, and we've been waiting for 10 minutes and nothing happens, but
Yeah.
I have a good feeling it will come soon.
So how long you gonna be here?
Actually, maybe 1 more hour. We'll see.
Okay. Thank you. I didn't get your name.
I'm Kasha.
Kasha. And your name?
And Irek.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. This is a national park area. You can see over there, there's a board over there. It says that, that you are not supposed to use any plastic over here, and it's strictly prohibited. If anyone is dumping any plastic waste, he should be fined. He or she should be fined.
This is almost like clay. enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to our channel, like our videos and hit the bell button. So each time we post a new video, you get notified.